College pun di Fibro, jemput nam ta kubar Laitkam, kiba pelaj lengba ke official website yang ke Mpsc, Media Public Service Commission, Pratarik March arjar sau. Tikipus kiba laj kidon kumba shispa alai tali e baro total jong kipus. Te gitu ki kuwa ban apply sampai ke video ro bakut. Pilong eligible em ikne kipus kiba laj lengba ka Mpsc. Tiang ni page menta. On behalf of the government, apply and invite online mode from citizen of India for the post mentioned below. Dengan page kita post below apa? The online application will be received up to 17 hours on the 29 March 2024 and no application will be entertained after the closing date. Kan mau kalau date kendai arp kendai tarik March arjar arsau nam ta kini ki post ki balat. Tegi balong eligible sa apply no koloi. Name of the post and skill of pay, number of vacancy. Tekane kabaningkong kabun maha kadon ko mapra punya Tylli post baro. Kadega mas mekalia agricultural service 3 officer. Ibakan top agricultural development officer / horticulture development officer / scientific officer bracket research / seed technology / soil testing / seed testing extra. Level kada level 15 of revised pay structure. Yang syllabus la upload apa ka Mpsc website sa check yung tu. Total post kadon pra punyo Tylli. Khalai amta UR live san amta khasijenja live san garu sau namta ki order sil tribe sil kas. Qualification kin sabatai hapo do. Number 2 kane child development project officer under social welfare department kanero level 15 karon new Tylli post kawai UR Tylli khasajenja lai Tylli garo kawai order STSC. Dan kane law officer level 15 kanero South Tylli post kawai UR kawai khasajenja Tylli garo total South Tylli. Dan sakane ka basau kane level 11 research assistant under planning department level 11 Tylli post kawai UR kawai namta sports person khasajenja tamade sports person R garo including one for sports person. Kemudian Tylli post kawai lapsir namta ki sports person kawai bede habi computer baro. Kemudian kumkane khasajenja bala thong ne sports person kinyo bitang ki sports person omnom la banyo ada ki wipat ki bomde ki sports person. Order STSC tanggawi ka post baro ilong Tylli post. Teka qualification bade condition of eligibility nam ta ka post jonga mas level 15 kane ka Media agriculture service third officer debandep ya ka BSc honors agriculture lane horticulture from the ICAR recognized Indian University tangine ki badap ya ka BSc honors agriculture but horti tangine ki ar kila ban apply nam ta ki post ki don pra punyo Tylli. Tenam taka post of child development project officer pada dimendap ya master in social work MSW from a recognized institute university with specialization in any of the following. Ada mention maka specialization family and child welfare, criminology and correction administration, urban and rural development, social welfare administration. Lane master degree in social work general from any recognized university. Master degree in home science with specialization in nutrition, dietetics, child development from any recognized university institute. Ane basau master degree in nutrition, dietetics, child development from any recognized university institute. Kidon kumba South Tylli ki option kibala ban apply nam ta ka nika post child development officer. Should be able to read or write in Khasi, Jaintia or Garo. Preference candidate with specialization in the field of social work and having experience working with NGO or in agency in social works. Condition selected candidate will be posted in any place within the state of Meghalaya under a social welfare department. Tenam taka post jongka law pan law officer under law department dibendep jaga bachelor degree in law from recognized university. Tenam taka post research assistant under planning department Canadian level 11 dibendep jaga bachelor degree with economics, mathematics, statistics as one of the subject from any recognized university. Tangi BA Economic BSc Mathematics, BSc Statistics tang kita kipela man apply. Knowledge in khasi jinti ar karo. Language is desirable. Okay. Then we clear age relaxation. For post serial number 1, 2 and 4, age will be calculated with reference to 1124 and should have attained the age of 18 to 32 years. Kumur khat prado life arts name plus sans name relaxable kalong mai khat prado life news name ka post number 1, 2 bar ka number 4. Then nagam ta ka post number 3, age will be calculated with reference to 1124 and should have attained the age of okay ka post number 3 bade dependon ar voice name hadu life arts name plus 5 years tamud ba ar foyadu life news name tang kita 1, 2 and 4 kadai khat prado life news name plus kata age relaxation ke du life news name kene ko bade ar foyadu life news name te ka fees kadi kumju hi kumbaju apply hi amount of fee 460 for post serial number 4 350 then am taki SC/ST pada kadai half ya ka rate kene mention kini berada jong lagi general. For person with benchmark disability application fee is exempted amdan kamre nam taki PWD. Candidate are to apply and submit the application through online mode only by clicking on the online application. Kan mau ban apply online ben icon in the Mpsc website www.mpsc.nic.in apply batch online hapo ka official website jongka mpsc.nic.in. Kelas date kendai ar khuntai March arja arpsa. Tegi bela saya apply man kapor tegi lanang hi opsi online hi kumta ter. Ka syllabus roll dap ayang ni method of selection for post of mass kandon shua ka screening test. Only those who qualify for a screening test will be called appear for personal interview. Child development rule screening test. Law officer written examination consisting of subject as per syllabus. Kumju hi baro tekan screening test ka apo ya ka personal interview. Tangi nei kijing tip terhadap hi eligible ban apply ni post apply nok kloi kelas date kendai ar khunai March arjar afsa. Tangi nei jing tip kuble sigun.